Hi guys, this is just a quick video about Mcmoney, and as it says on the title, earn money receiving SMS. So it's as simple as it says. All you need to do very simply is download the app and they'll start paying you. So as you can see, I've had my first payment of this round, so they are paying and there is messages and I've installed it. And if you can see in the top right corner, I've got a box there that shows you, well, that's where you get the app from. I've put all the information in the description box. So if you follow the steps, it's all step by step and it will show you how to do this. It's very simple. It's, as I said, they send you messages, they pay you via PayPal, so you need a PayPal account. And if you think it's going a little bit slow for you, they do have a referral system. So if you invite your friends and family to join this SMS group, they'll get a reward and you'll get a reward, and you'll move along quicker. So that's another way to try and get it moving quicker. It's really simple. There's nothing to really show you on here. There you can see the news hasn't got anything on there yet. The earnings shows you how much earnings you've got. The inbox is where you get the messages from them. And then the account is just to set up. Do you want to have alerts for when they send you a text message, and do you want an alert for when you're going to get paid? So what I did was turned off the one when they're sending the messages, because I don't even want to open the messages. I just want to get to the limit that you need to withdraw. So I would do that too if I was you. And then as you can see, they've got the referral system. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing really to show you around. But what I did want to show you was the first part of it, because some people who's not used to doing crypto or anything like this might be worried that the app's not found in Play Store. So that's why I've gave you the steps on how to download it. I'm going to show you a quick little bit of it, just so you can see that it's simple. So as it says, so what you'll need to do, so this is the website here, but as I said, it's all in the description, so you don't need to memorize it. But what I'm trying to say is the description starts with CM, so you might think to yourself, oh, is that the right website? But it is. I've gone through it, I've pressed the button, I've got the app, so that's proof that it's working. So you press the blue button, you download the app, and as it tells you there, that's the process. You proceed, you install it, and then you register your phone number. And when you register your phone number, as I said before, you can get a little bit of a head start because I've got a referral code. So if you put my referral code in there rather than putting no code in there, you'll get an extra bit of money just to get you to the first start. So that might help you if you're interested. And then after that, you'll receive a message as well. So that's a really good bonus to get you started. I'd say you could be like a third of the way in just by doing that. So I'm not gonna go on and on and on. This is a simple app to use, so it's going to be a very quick video. Check it out, leave your comments in the comments box and let me know how you think about it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll speak to you guys later.